So we just boarded the flight and it's gonna take us around 5 hours to reach from NYC to Punta Cana. So we are really hungry and couldn't buy anything at the airport and didn't bring anything from home. So we are going to buy something from the flight. Welcome to Punta Cana. So done with the immigration and now we are at the exit. We have to go and look for our transportation to resort. We have booked it in advance, so we are going to go and find him. So we found our transportation company and now we are waiting for the shuttle to come or taxi. Let's see. This is kind of a little big for us, but it is very comfortable. Right, Pranjal?
Yes.
So it's Pranjal's birthday, so it has to be like luxurious. So we got a room, so let me show you our room here. So as we enter, this is the washroom and you have shower. That's the shower area. The wash basin, they have given water, some soap, and this is like facial tissue. And then you have dryer over here. As you enter, this is the cupboard, the simple things. You have safe. This is the iron board, one umbrella, the hangers over here. This is the bedroom area and it opens to the balcony. We are in the ground floor, so as you can see, the balcony just opened to the road. And you have TV over here, coffee machine, so they have given coffees. This is the machine. There is a mini bar, but I don't, they said it's bar, but I don't see any bar material. But this is all inclusive. I can take anything from here. So as we checked in, we are given the options to upgrade. There is a premium upgrade also over here, which we did not take it. We are doing the regular one. And the other thing is, there are few restaurants which we have to take reservation. Today we did not find any reservation for, but for next 3 days we have taken the reservation for dinner. So now our plan is to get ready and go to the beach. So we are ready and out and about. We are going to go and check out the beach. From here it looks really amazing. So we are here at the beach. Oh my god, everything is looking so beautiful. I'm so happy right now. We are so enjoying, and now we are going to go grab drink and then relax in the beach. So this is our resort. As you can see behind me, this is the resort and this is the beach, you guys. So this is like first time we are staying in an all-inclusive resort, and we planned this trip like this only. Usually we do road trips and everything, but this time we are going to stay in full inclusive resort and we are going to take some tours around and enjoy the beautiful beaches. So we are here at one of the bar and we are just ordered pina colada and enjoying the view and the vibe. So I don't remember the number, but there are like 2 to 3 bars over here which has different timings, and this one is just in front of the ocean and it is such a vibe right now. People are just enjoying and having drinks, and it's also empty in terms of people went for their reservation to eat food because it's already 7:30. And today we are not going to have any reservation, as I told you earlier. We are going to go for a buffet, but before that we are just enjoying our drinks. So we had so much fun having drinks. Now we are really hungry, so we are going to go to the buffet and check out what they have for us. So we are really hungry, and you can see half of my plate is already gone. The food is really good over here. I have read some reviews where they said that the food is not that great, it's average, but I liked it. For my taste, it's really good. Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful morning here in Punta Cana. I just woke up and it was just 5 minutes left for the sunrise, and we just came here and watched beautiful sunrise. Though it was cloudy a bit, everything was looking so beautiful. It's 7 o'clock right now, and we will just go into our room, freshen up, go for coffee and breakfast now. Wow, what a way to wake up in the morning. So it's time for breakfast. We came here at the open buffet and started with omelette and some. There are so many options, so I have taken hash brown and then plantain. This is a big buffet area. There are so many places to eat and so many things to eat. Only options you will find is Mexican, Caribbean and continental. There is an egg station where you can ask to make your style of eggs. I have ordered myself omelette, and there is a big selection of bread as well. So it started to rain suddenly. Oh my god. So it's beach time, so we just came here in the beach, grab beach chairs and towels and enjoying the view. It is not sunny today. It is really bad weather in terms of like it's raining on and off, but we grab our drinks and enjoying the weather. So it's time for sunset, and we are back on the beach, and those beautiful color, as you can see behind me, oh my god, and the watercolor right now is just absolutely insane. So now we are back in the coffee shop for coffee because we needed it. Iced latte, and Pranjal ordered Irish coffee.
Yes.
So it's dinner time, and we came at this restaurant called Tapas. We have taken reservation, and we are starting with sangria. via eBay, and now we are heading to the port area. Walking like I guess for another 10 minutes from the bus stop to the port. The weather here is really nice today. When we saw, there was a prediction of a cloudy weather, but right now it's nice and sunny. So hopefully it stays for whole day. That's what we are expecting, because the water during this time of the day looks really beautiful and better. So this is our first stop, and this is a shallow water pool, and actually natural pool where we can even stand and enjoy the beautiful weather. So we have 40 minutes to enjoy this place, and we have drinks and everything. Oh my god, this is the best experience. I knew that they are going to stop at this shallow pool, but I had no idea this was going to be so much fun. So we are done with the shallow pool, and we are heading to Sauna Island. So finally we reached here in Sauna Island. As you can see behind me, the beautiful beach. Oh my god. Right now we are just following our guide, and let's see where he takes us. But the island is really beautiful. Right now there are very less people around. I think all the boats are going to come. This is so beautiful. Arrived at the area which is reserved for us, and we got beach here, and we have a free open bar and food, lunch. So we are going to go for lunch first. So after eating and relaxing a bit, now we are just walking on the beach, because we only have another 15 hour to explore. So let me tell you, this beach is beautiful. I can't say untouched because there are so many people, and pretty good. So now it's time to go back from the island. Oh, I know. 2 hours is not that much time. If you are visiting Punta Cana, I would definitely recommend this if you want a beach day out for yourself. Oh my god. So this is our ride back. So next we are going to board the catamaran. So yep, the water is insane. So we got transferred to the catamaran. As you can see, this is like a big boat. We are back in the island and now we are heading towards our bus which will take us to the resort. So we got ready and it's time for dinner. We have a reservation, so it's in another 5 minutes. So let's go. So we got inside the restaurant. Our reservation was at 9 p.m. and we had to rush. It's a set menu and we are going to order. Our first course is here. I have ordered ceviche and Pranjal ordered a dish with chicken. I don't know the name, but I'll give you the name in the description. So our second course is here. I have ordered fish tacos and Pranjal has ordered lamb biryani. It looks good. Both looks good and it's really really hot. So let's dig in. So last in the menu, it's dessert and I have ordered rice pudding and Pranjal has ordered tres leche cake. Is it good?
Okay.
So after dinner, it's time for a white party and we have got ready all in white and now we are heading to the beach for the party. So we just boarded our bus and it's gonna take 2.5 hours to reach Santo Domingo. And meanwhile, we are just going to relax and sleep, right? But the first stop on the way is this national park, which is called Three Eye National Park, and we are going to stop there. So we just saw the Three Eye National Park. There are 3 pools which is really beautiful and good that it's a sunny weather. Head back to the bus. So our next stop is here at one of the point where there is a Santo Domingo sign, and as well as you can see, this is the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. The water color is little different from Punta Cana. Obviously, Punta Cana is popular for the waters. So first stop is the place where we are going to have lunch. So now we are going to see the cathedral from inside. So after an amazing day exploring Santo Domingo, it's time to head back to our resort. It's gonna take 3 hours to reach Punta Cana. So we are here at Japanese restaurant for dinner, and we are going to see the show and eat some sushi. So it's time for checkout. Oh my god! Cut karo. So it's time to head back to home. We had such an amazing time. Right now we are here in Punta Cana airport, where we are going to depart for New York City. Just wanted to tell you guys, when you are coming to Dominican Republic, you have to fill 2 forms. For one is for entry and another is for exit. It's free of cost. You can do it online, but it is very important to do it before you board the flight.